there, and welcome to Schoology Basics. This is video 5, changing your profile on Schoology. In this video, we're going to show you how to change your profile using a phone or tablet. So the first thing I just wanted to make you aware of, some of you may be using the Schoology app. So the first thing you need to know is you cannot change your profile, your picture, or your bio, or any of that in the Schoology app. You have to do it through the web browser. So you would follow the same instructions that you would if you were using a computer, but I'm going to walk you through it from my phone. So you open up your web browser and you go into Schoology. So you guys as students are going to go in through the school district website. You're going to go to that link that takes you to parents and students. And then after that, you're going to go to find Schoology, click on that, and then log in the way you normally would log into Schoology. Because I'm a teacher, I've got a slightly different way to get in. So I'm going to actually log into Schoology directly from Schoology.com. But it'll only work if you are a teacher to go in this way. So I'm going to log in, and I've already logged into my Schoology app. So use your student ID number at wcskids.net, and then your school district password, making sure you use all caps for any letters. All right, so now I'm on my Schoology page. What I'm going to do, and it's tiny on my little phone here, but if you make it bigger, you can see a little better. In the upper right-hand corner, I've got this little drop-down menu, and I'm going to select my profile. And it says on here that I have already added my photo. If you have not added a photo, changed your photo before, you just click on that and it'll let you change your photo. You can attach a file. If you're using a phone or a tablet, you can actually just grab either a selfie or a picture off the internet that's school appropriate. And selfie should be school appropriate as well. Something that represents you, that makes you unique. Or you can choose from the avatars below. So I'm going to leave mine alone because I already have mine done. So I'm going to exit out of that. It's still tiny. Let me go back. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is write a short bio. So I'm going to go in and update my bio and type in my stuff. So for me, I teach band and choir, levels taught. I'm going to type in middle school. And yours may say something different. You just want to make it applicable to you. And then I would say teacher, and then bio. Bio, I'm going to type in just some information about me. You're going to want to make yours pretty extensive. For me, I'm just going to keep it basic for now. So bio, I teach middle school band and choir. I have taught at Grissom, Flynn, and Carlton middle schools. I think it's supposed to be capitalized. Middle schools. I have a wonderful husband named Barack, and 2 children, Ian, who is 18, he's a college student, and Bella, who is 14, and she's a 9th grader. I enjoy collecting teacups playing the flute, and all things Scottish, because I'm Scottish. Okay, so there's a little information about me. My birthday is, oh, come on, March 4th. All right, so that's all set. I have put in all of that stuff for my bio. I click Save Changes. And then I'm going to go back up under my profile. And I need to add activities and interests. Activities. Oh, what do I like to do? What do I do in my free time? I like to go for walks. I can't type. Go for walks, swim, and boating. Interest, Scottish arts, music, marching band, because I also teach marching band. So there's some things about me. And let's see, gonna save my changes. And then finally, I'm gonna go to contact information. So I'm gonna put in my phone number. Which is 973-7434. And my website, which is grissomBandChoir.weebly.com. You want to make sure, just like on the other one, that whatever information you put in there is information you want there for the world to see. So you want to be really careful just what you share out there on the internet, you guys, because you never know what's going to follow you. All right, so I'm going to click Save Changes, and that's all done. So I'm going to go up and check my profile, and everything's checked off. So now that that's all done, my profile's done, and it's all good. And that's it.